Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek for stock trading. Let's get started. First, you need to understand what DeepSeek is and why it's become such an essential tool for modern traders. DeepSeek is an advanced AI model capable of analyzing enormous volumes of financial data, breaking down complex market news, interpreting technical chart patterns, and even gauging social media sentiment to help you make more informed and timely trading decisions. While it doesn't execute trades on your behalf, it serves as an incredibly powerful research assistant that can enhance your strategy and save you hours of manual analysis. What makes DeepSeek particularly valuable is its ability to process information from multiple sources simultaneously, giving you a comprehensive market perspective that would be difficult to achieve manually. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the DeepSeek website. Simply type deepseek.com into your address bar. Once the page loads, you may need to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. The sign-up process is straightforward and typically only requires an email address and basic information. After creating your account, take a moment to thoroughly explore the interface and familiarize yourself with all the available features. The platform features an intuitive, chat-based design where you can type questions, upload documents, and receive detailed AI-powered insights in real time. I recommend spending some time experimenting with different types of queries to understand the full range of capabilities available to you. Now, let's explore the first major application: market research. With DeepSeek, you can quickly catch up on the latest financial news, dissect recent earnings reports, and understand broader economic trends without sifting through endless articles. For example, you could input, "Summarize the key points from the most recent Federal Reserve statement and explain how they might impact technology stocks," or "Analyze NVIDIA's latest earnings report and highlight the most important financial reserve." Metrics, guidance for future quarters, and any potential concerns raised by analysts. This allows you to grasp critical updates in seconds rather than spending hours researching multiple sources. You can also ask follow-up questions to dive deeper into specific aspects that interest you, creating a comprehensive research session that covers all angles of a particular stock or market trend. Another highly effective use of DeepSeek is for technical analysis. Although DeepSeek isn't a charting software, you can describe specific patterns, indicators, or market conditions, and ask for detailed explanations. Try using prompts like, "What does a head and shoulders pattern indicate? How reliable is it as a reversal signal? And what confirmation signals should I look for?" Or, "Explain how to use the MACD indicator to identify potential buy and sell signals," including how to interpret divergences and crossovers. DeepSeek can break down complex trading concepts into easy-to-understand insights that help you make better decisions. You can even ask it to compare different technical indicators or explain how multiple signals might work together to provide stronger confirmation of potential market movements. You can also leverage DeepSeek for sentiment analysis. By asking it to scan news headlines, social media platforms, and analyst commentaries, you can get a summarized view of market sentiment around specific stocks. For instance, you could ask, "What is the current market sentiment around Microsoft based on the last 48 hours of news and social media activity? And are there any emerging trends or concerns I should be aware of?" This helps you understand whether the general mood is bullish or bearish, which can be an important factor in your decision-making process. DeepSeek can also help you track sentiment changes over time, allowing you to spot shifting market perspectives before they become widely recognized. For fundamental analysis, DeepSeek truly shines. You have the ability to upload financial documents such as annual reports, balance sheets, or income statements, and ask targeted questions. For example, calculate and interpret the current P/E ratio for Amazon compared to its industry average over the past 5 years, and explain what this might indicate about the stock's valuation, or identify any red flags in this company's cash flow statement over the past 3 years, and suggest what further investigation might be needed. DeepSeek can also perform competitor analysis, giving you a broader perspective on a company's standing within its sector. You can ask it to compare financial metrics across multiple companies or analyze industry trends that might affect your investment decisions. One of the most valuable features is DeepSeek's ability to assist with risk management. You can ask it to help design a personalized trading plan based on your capital and risk tolerance. Sample prompts include: suggest a position sizing strategy for a 10-0 portfolio with a moderate risk appetite, including stop-loss placement and profit-taking targets. Or, what are some effective methods to hedge a portfolio that's heavily invested in semiconductor stocks? Considering both options, strategies, and sector diversification, this can help you protect your capital while maximizing potential returns. DeepSeek can also help you understand different risk management techniques and how to implement them effectively in various market conditions. If you're looking for new trading ideas, DeepSeek can help with idea generation. You can ask it to identify emerging sectors or undervalued stocks worth researching. Try queries like, which industries are showing strong momentum this quarter based on earnings growth, analyst upgrades, and institutional buying activity? Or list some high-growth potential stocks in the electric vehicle sector with strong fundamentals, reasonable valuations, and positive analyst sentiment. DeepSeek can scan market trends and data to provide you with a short list of opportunities to investigate further. You can also ask it to screen for stocks based on specific criteria that match your investment strategy and risk profile. For more advanced traders, DeepSeek can even assist with backtesting strategy concepts. While it doesn't perform actual backtesting, you can describe a trading approach and ask about its historical viability. For example, how would a golden cross strategy have performed in the S&P 500 over the past 5 years during periods of high volatility? And what were the maximum drawdowns experienced? This can help you refine your strategies before applying them in live markets. You can also ask DeepSeek to suggest modifications to improve a strategy's performance or reduce its risk profile based on historical market behavior. Another sophisticated use case is interpreting unusual options activity. If you notice a significant volume of call or put contracts being traded for a particular stock, you can ask DeepSeek, what might a sudden increase in call options for Meta indicate? And how should I interpret this activity in the context of recent news and earnings expectations? The AI can explain possible reasons, such as anticipated positive earnings, sector-wide optimism, or institutional hedging strategies, helping you make more informed decisions. You can also ask it to explain different options, strategies, and how they might be used in various market scenarios. It's important to remember that while DeepSeek is a powerful tool, it does have limitations. Its knowledge isn't updated in real time, so you should always verify its insights with live market data from your brokerage platform. It also cannot predict future market movements with certainty, so never rely solely on its output for making trades. Instead, use it as a supplement to your own research and analysis, combining its insights with traditional technical and fundamental analysis techniques. Always cross-reference DeepSeek's suggestions with current market data and consider multiple perspectives before making any trading decisions. The most successful traders use DeepSeek to enhance their decision-making process, not replace it. By combining AI-generated insights with traditional analysis and real-time data, you can develop a more well-rounded and informed trading strategy. DeepSeek helps you save time, uncover new opportunities, and understand complex market dynamics, all of which contribute to becoming a more disciplined and effective trader. Remember to always practice proper risk management and continue learning about market dynamics to complement the AI's capabilities. The key is to use DeepSeek as one tool in your trading toolkit, combining its strengths with your own knowledge and experience. Now, if you're serious about making money online, I recommend using AI and combining it with digital marketing. You can make an extra $3,000 to $5,000 per month using the phone you're holding in your hand right now, without even showing your face. Click the link in the description to watch a video from a 9-figure online marketer who will teach you how to use your phone combined with some AI tools to make thousands of dollars per month in pure profit. while working just a couple hours per day. You don't need a website or a funnel, so it's perfect for beginners.